welcome to my channel, Come with Debbie. If you haven't already been here before, I'm Debbie. So, in this video, I stayed at the Premiere Inn Reigate near Gatwick Airport. I'd say it's only about a 5-minute drive away from Gatwick Airport. And you get free parking there, but just for the night, you stay there in the hotel. You cannot do like airport parking in that actual hotel. So, come with Debbie and take a look at the Premiere Inn Reigate, Gatwick. Enjoyed that little room tour. It's quite a cosy, lovely hotel and the breakfast is superb and I highly recommend staying there. And don't forget, I'm on Cameo, cameo.com/Come with Debbie. So if you want those lovely little special messages, then please go find me there. Also, don't forget to give me one of those thumbs up. I'll be really grateful. And to hit the subscribe button. So, thank you again for watching. Take care and thank you for subscribing.